Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we have something special for all you pool owners out there. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover. This is hands down one of the best solar pool covers available on the market. If you own a pool, you won't want to miss this. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover is designed to keep your pool warm, clean, and eco-friendly. This 16 ml cover is a heavyweight champion when it comes to insulating your pool and retaining heat. Let's dive right into the details. First off, let's talk about heat retention. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover is equipped with thousands of thermal bubbles that effectively trap the sun's heat. This means you can enjoy a warm and comfortable pool even on cloudy days or chilly nights. In fact, it can raise your pool's temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit when the sun is shining bright in the summer. Now, here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just lay it on top of the water before you head out, and when you return, you'll be greeted by a warm, inviting pool. If you leave it on overnight, you can jump right in the next morning. Plus, it's suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools, and you can easily trim it to fit any pool shape with a pair of scissors. If you're concerned about water conservation, this cover has you covered. It reduces water evaporation by a whopping 95%, so you won't have to keep refilling your pool after every swim. This not only saves water but also reduces maintenance costs. And here's a bonus. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover is eco-friendly. It's made from PE material, which is harmless and safe for the environment. It's also a breeze to use and store. When you're not swimming, simply cover your pool with this heater, and it'll prevent dust and debris from falling in, reducing your cleaning time. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the customer reviews. With an average rating of 4.4 stars, customers praise its ease of installation, durability, and effectiveness in keeping their pools warm and clean. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover comes in various sizes, including 12 by 24 feet, 6 by 6 feet, 6 by 12 feet, and more. The 12 by 24 feet size, which is perfect for most pools, is currently on a Black Friday deal, priced at $151.99. Down from the typical price of $189.99. A fantastic deal for an exceptional product. So there you have it, folks. The Big X Well Solar Pool Cover, the best solar pool cover you can get your hands on. With its excellent heat retention, water conservation, and eco-friendly features, it's a must-have for any pool owner. If you want to enjoy a warm and inviting pool, save on maintenance costs, and do your part for the environment, the Big X Well Solar Pool Cover is the way to go. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deal, and make your pool experience even better. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.